Hello everyone. Today I am teaching you how to cutting and shaping your nail. Before you start any design, you should wipe your nails with a cotton ball soaked in nail polish remover. Even if your nail are painted, you should always make this your first step because it helps eliminate any excess oil and allows the nail polish to better adhere to your nail. Then take a nail file or emery board and file your nails into one of the five common nail shapes: oval, square, pointed, square, or round. If you have been to a nail salon before, you may already know what shape suits your nails. Something you can do to make your nails look longer is polish the cuticle back. You will need to soak your hands in warm water to help soften the cuticle. Then push it back with an orange stick. Finally, trim any hangnails around your nails with a pair of nail clippers. You should always apply a moisturizer after you have completed your design to help keep your nails looking this way. This simple step will instantly clean up your nails, give you the foundation you need to successfully create your nail art according to your fashion or according to the 2022 art nail design. I hope you like this video and you learn something new. Thank you.